I'm very enthusiastic to speak to you about access preparation. I will emphasize the concepts and tools that are utilized to access any tooth in the mouth. Regarding the concepts, we will stress coronal and radicular access. Emphasis will be placed on flaring, flattening, and finishing the internal axial walls. We'll focus on the tools with emphasis on the microscope, the burrs that are utilized, and piezoelectric or ultrasonic energy. The good news is, I will show you safe methods to access teeth so you can do it too.